one of your favorite guys, Gerald McClellan. I don't know if you've seen some of the papers that have come out. He had a stroke in '95 fighting Nigel Benn in London. Mm-hmm. And during that fight, it was a horrible fight if you've ever seen the...
It's a crazy fight, yeah.
So anyway, he had a stroke from that and was hospitalized for 11 days in a coma in ICU in London. Gets out, his sister, Lisa McClellan, refuses to put him into a nursing home, into a hospice help. She contacted me and told me about her brother, and we found he was hormonally deficient. So what we ended up doing is putting him on to the hormone replacement and to one of the peptides that we use, which is called N-acetyl Semax, which stimulates the brain to produce more brain-derived neurotrophic factor. He's 20% better.
That's incredible.
Phenomenal. He's now remembering things, he's communicating, he's on the phone in 4 months on the protocol.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to